This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contractor discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Hear that bang? That's a spindle. And it's leaking downstairs. I think it's this diverter's leaking. I'm going to take this off and run it and see if it's dripping. See all the green? I guarantee that's leaking. That could be a problem. The ceiling's all damaged down below. I think this might be what the issue is. I'm going to find out. Seems a little loose. She's loose as a goose. She's loose as a goose, mama. Look at all that slime. Almost guarantee that's gonna leak out of there when we run it. You can see it dripping out of there already. See it dripping? See it dripping? That's our problem. We're gonna shut the water off to change the cartridge anyway. That banging noise. We'll change that too, that diverter. Alright, so we got the water off downstairs. Looks like this might be dripping also. But we're going to change the whole thing anyway, so I'm going to change the spindle. We're going to open the handle at the same time. I got a faucet open downstairs. Usually when it makes that noise, just change the spindle when it stops it. Here's the spindle. I'll put a new gasket. Should take care of that clunking noise. gasket in there, and there's a packing nut right here that needs to be tight too. Not too much, but we don't want it dripping. Alright, when you first put this valve in, you gotta set it because it's a compression valve. It should be fine. Now this is what they call a Raven tool. Let's get the end there to take the cap off. The big seat, inner seat, outer seat. That nut to take the cap off we're going to use right now. It's like an Allen screw. And then it's got a easy out. Now this one's got the plastic insert. Thing will probably come out easy, seeing it was. Yeah, see how easy it came out? That O-ring is what was leaking. Like a 1/2-inch fitting brush. I'm gonna go right in there and give it the old how you doing. Cleans out that cylinder passage. Here's the part number for the tub. Tub shower will be white, shower will be black. There's the part number. I need to put some plumber's grease on it. Lube. Give it the old lube job. That one didn't come with a brass adapter. I'm surprised. That one didn't have a little brass adapter in it. Alright, so that won't leak anymore. You could tell it's got a little bit more restriction on it. There we go. That's a common problem with them. You see all the slime in there. That's from it dripping. When in doubt, change it out. That should take care of our problem. I'm not saying the drain doesn't have a leak on it either, but we'll fix this first and let it ride. That's what I recommend. Turn the water back on and see if that banging stops, which it should. It was definitely leaking in that diverter, and then it'll drip in the wall. We'll get it back together and see what happens. It ain't rocket science. No, that'll be fine. So, yeah. So it was definitely dripping from that diverter, but that should dry up. It's probably, you know, on top of the cabinets also. Let's open it up slowly. Once it's full, then you can open it. No more noise. That's a very common problem with those.